Welcome to the VoxSMS Quick Start Guide presented by VoxTelesis. This video is part 5 in a series of videos on VoxSMS. In this video, we'll be presenting the drip campaign feature in the VoxSMS web application. From the dashboard, click on Drip Campaign. Drip campaigns allow you to apply a scheduled set of messages to a contact based on intervals of your choosing. Any replies received from the contact will break any future drips. To create a drip campaign, click on Create New Campaign in the top right corner of the screen. You'll need to type in the campaign name. This will help to identify your campaign when you apply it to a contact. Once you name your campaign, click on Add Drips. Type in your first drip here. You can determine whether you want the intervals to be in minutes, hours, or days. For this demonstration, we're going to select minutes. For the interval, type in a number of your choosing. The minimum number you can type in is 1. You can continue adding as many drips as needed. For the purposes of this video, we're going to have the drips be sent a minute apart from each other. Once you're done, click on Save. You can now see that our drip campaign has been added. Under Actions, you can click on View or Delete. View allows you to edit your drip campaign, while Delete will permanently erase your drip campaign. Next, we'll navigate to Conversations. Click on your desired conversation, then click on the water droplet icon by the text bubble. You can apply the drip campaign to this contact by clicking on the drip campaign we created. This will bring up a window that will show you a preview of this drip campaign. Click on Apply Campaign. Click OK on the confirmation message. The text bubbles will show when the messages are scheduled to be sent. If you want to delete a message before it's sent, click on the trash can icon. Once your contact replies, any future messages from this drip campaign will cease. Congratulations! You've now completed the drip campaign portion of VoxSMS. Our next video will demonstrate the blasts feature. Make sure you subscribe for more guides with VoxTelesis as we are continually adding new content.